Hello everyone and welcome to the training kitchen here in the catering department of Springfield Training. My name is Cormac McKinney. I've been a catering tutor here for the past 8 months. A bit about my background. I started off at a young age, about 35 years ago, from dishwashing and food prep in various restaurants and kitchens across Northern Ireland, to then going on in my journey to owning and operating a series of successful businesses throughout Northern Ireland. I've also travelled to America and different countries just to gain experience that way also. I chose to become a catering tutor to pass on the knowledge and experience I've gained over the past 35 years. And there's nothing better here at Springfield than watching young people come in and develop their skills and knowledge and eventually go on to get employment in the catering industry. So if you choose to come to a catering course here at Springfield, the course itself is a very practically based course. Most of your time will be spent in here in the training kitchen. There will also be field trips and journeys out to other restaurants and events around the community. The qualification itself is a level 1 qualification. We'll bring you right through from food safety and hygiene to food preparation, cooking and storage using a wide variety of ingredients. We'll also get you ready to advance you on to level 2 qualifications, but it really is a fun qualification, and as I say, it is based mostly in the kitchen, so you will enjoy it. I think Springfield is a great starting point for any young person today, because what we try and do here at Springfield, not just catering any of the vocational areas, we try to work also on the young people's life skills and build up their confidence and abilities in that department. I know here in catering, when we try and get our young people into placement, we don't just put them in any placement just to get them in some work experience. Catering can be a real intense industry for a young person starting off. So we try and tailor that to suit the young person's ability and needs, and really what would suit their sort of journey and their life skills at that time.